yum. Yum, 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 yum. He likes it. It's fall. And in the corn maze says, within the maze, unique punches. Let's see if I can find a hole punch. Like, where am I going? I could have drove up to north to that big corn maze. Oh, I don't know which way to go. Okay, here's the first one. Lost exit near silo. You can call if you get lost. Absolutely no smoking. No? Okay. I wasn't the first one. I'm still looking. Should I go that way? Should I go that way? There's people that way. I go this way. I'm gonna tell them again when I find a station. I found no punch stations yet. Oh, I don't know. So, right or left? Let me go left. Left it is. So, I think I missed it on the first one. I probably just didn't see it hanging there. I can't really do this. Ready? You can't see. I need two hands. Yeah, it's not gonna come out cool. Let's expect. I've been in here for like at least 20 minutes and I found two. Oh, no. Goodness. I have to go back, y'all. I'm lost. I think this is 20 acres. A 20-acre maze. It's my workout for today. You see my shadow? You see it? I'm trying to get back to number one. This is the fork in the road that I took. So I'm going to go back to number one because I got to fill out my whole cart. I found number 12. I only have two. I'll tell you a story. One day, my neighbor and I went corn picking, you know, when the corn was fresh. So she just like walked right into the field and I'm all nervous. You know, the city in me, I'm like, if there's no snakes in here, there's nothing I should be alarmed of. She had no fear. Oh, I'm at a dead end. So I just want to tell you that story. That's what this is reminding me of. Send help. I'll be calling. How do I get out of here? This is a struggle. A struggle. I don't know, this way? That way? I haven't been this way. I'm certain of that. I've found this many. Found one. 6. Prepare for a montage. Send water, y'all. I'm thirsty. Send water. I don't know if I can go this way. Is it in back here? Oh, ooh, I found mine. Yeah. Crazy crossroad right here. Look, I came from that way. I could go this way. I can go this way. I can go this way. I can go this way. I can't find 9. I found 10 and 7 multiple times. I keep finding 8 and 10. It means 9 is over here. Send help. Send help. I found it. Yes. Get out of here. Give me some water. Okay, let's find the exit. Wonderful. So to get out, you gotta walk in the direction of this silo. Get in there. That was number 1. Here we go. Wow, I made it. Yeah. Made it through the maze.